welcome back to my channel, Simply Tanika Dion. I am your host, Dion. Alright, today I am going to be doing a makeup look. I'm going to be using the Naughty Palette here by Huda Beauty that I had in my stocking stuffer to myself. Is this showing or what? Okay, and let's see, these are the beautiful colors here. I love it because these marble colors are different, and those are the ones I'm actually going to use. I don't know which ones yet, but I will be using those because it's different, and I'm not going anywhere special today. I'm going to Walmart just to get a couple things that I need that I can't order online because they're not food related, and I want them now, so you know, whatever. But anyway, so that's about it. And excuse my hair, guys, I know I look crazy. I just got my hair braided, and then the back end of them, because they're so long, I had to pin them up, you know. So because y'all know I wear wigs now. So yeah, so I had so I got my hair braided and stuff just back. But anyway, so yeah, without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. I know that's new for me, but I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. And if you'd like to see the look I create, please continue to watch. The finished look of me using the Huda Beauty Naughty Palette today. And yeah, this is the look I created, and I think it came out really cute. These colors are so nice, and they're different colors I've, you know, never heard of the type or style or whatever, but they worked so well, so well, you guys. And also this Huda Beauty brush that I was showing you in the video, the fender bender, I believe is what it's called. All it is a sponge applicator here and a little rubber tip here. You know, I think I said this in another video, but you probably could use a sponge applicator that comes in one of the drugstore cheaper brands that come with the little sponge applicator. I don't know if they still even make those, but that might work, I don't know. But this actually did work well to apply these shadows that I used today. You know, this Do you need this? No. But was it fun to use? Yes, because I don't know, it's just different. I like using it. I don't know. I may even see if I can find some of these on Amazon and maybe even use those just in case this breaks, because it is, you know, just a sponge, you know. This is a rubber. It feels kind of flimsy, but I mean, it's on here well, but you know, I feel like after you clean it enough times it might just snap off. I don't know, but I didn't clean it real rough and stuff like that. But anywho, this brush was great. I liked it. It worked good today. And let me see, so I did use these two colors right here. I mixed them together, and I use that for the, like, a transition color and above the crease, and the let me see, this color right here, this marble color, and well, all the marble colors, according to what I looked up on the website, they are marble cream colors is what they're called. And yeah, I thought they were great. They worked great. The formula is great. Very pigmented. Every single shadow I tried was super pigmented. This color right here I used to do the outer V and bring in a little bit in the crease just to deepen it up. The color right here, this other marble color, I used as a highlight. You see that? Come on. This color right here I used as a highlight. Even though it's a marble, I still used the whole thing, use it as a brow bone highlight. I did not really do a real inner corner highlight today. I just used the color right here that I used all over the lid. I just brought that in more and just kept it. I did not put a separate inner corner highlight on today like I normally do, just to brighten it up. I just love the color so much. I just wanted it to be on its own, and the color is just, oh, it's beautiful. That color is beautiful. This palette is amazing. I really cannot wait to use this for more stuff. So today I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. Oh, excuse me. And also this color right here, which is super, super, super different from anything I've ever used. That color, come on, get in on it. Come on, baby. Well, right there, if you can see it. Yeah, got all little, looks weird things in it and stuff. That color right there is actually a gloss, like an eye gloss. So off camera I actually did apply it with this little rubber tip, and it kind of gives it like a little shine type of thing. I don't know if you saw earlier when I did the clip, but I mean, it's subtle. You can't see it all like that, but it is subtle, and it did give a little bit of shine. So yeah, this palette, nothing negative to say. I loved every color that I used. Very pigmented, made the look come out gorgeous. And yeah, that's all I can say. Great, great palette, and I will be using this more than once. Like I use most of my palettes just once, even if they're great. Usually I still only use them once, but I love it. This was great. Very, very good palette to use. Okay, now guys, also I'm gonna tell you about 2 things that I use that I haven't used before. 2 new products. Now this, the Glamnetic lashes and liner, which these are the lashes, Lush lashes, which I have on now, which are very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Now it's just a liner, just sort of like the bonding glue. You draw the line on, you stick the lash to it. But this is sort of different. Well, it is, excuse me, it is different. With bonding glue you can use any pair of lashes you like. Just draw the line and stick the lashes onto it, which is super easy, super fun. A lot of you beautiful women out there love that, but it's actually not for me really per se. I may do it in the video, but not even that often. That I hardly ever wear bonding glue, liner glue, whatever you want to call it. Now, because I'm a glue girl, I say it all the time. Sorry about that. But, and it's not even that. If I liked the bonding glue, I would tell you guys that I liked it. Now, I know many of you do, so you continue to go ahead and do you, boo, okay? It's you, okay? And you know, it always looks nice when people wear it. It looks nice, period. So, you know, but I just don't like it, okay? We're talking about me. So, this Glamnetic liner and these lashes are awesome. I have not one bad thing to say or negative or whatever. I really, really like this. Now this your girl can get into. I can definitely get into these. Now I didn't do you know, a tutorial on how I put them on. Now if you guys want to see me do that, you know, I'll definitely do a video showing how I use the liner and putting the magnetic lashes on. That's, you know, it's fine. I don't mind doing whatever you ask me to do, okay? Now But yeah, this is like a wet liner, just like I like. It's wet, and then you attach the magnetic. The lashes got little magnets on them too, so it was so easy, and they still are on. By now, even in the video, the liner glue might be lifting a little bit in the inner corner. That's what I'm saying. The longevity of liner glue just isn't there for me. It's my opinion, okay? It just isn't there for me. Now, so yeah, so that's that. But yeah, these I really do like. And Glamnetic is rather expensive too, which, you know, some people may not want to spend the money to get these, but they do work. They really do work, and they still look like I just put them on. Amazing. So I will definitely be using these again. I'll probably get another couple pairs, but I still will be using my fave glue because I have so many lashes that I wear that I need to use glue with. Okay, so boom. Now the next new thing that I tried was this NYX Shine Loud matte lipstick, matte shine lipstick. The one part is a matte lipstick and the other part is the shine. Now these are new by NYX. Now I did buy 4 of them. I got these about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I got these about 2 weeks ago. Now this is the first time I'm trying it. So this claims to be up to 16-hour wear and transfer proof. So in the little video and things like that, they have a mask on and then they show it, you know, doesn't transfer or whatever. But yeah, yeah. So I tried to put that to the theory, or to the test. And yeah, you put the matte color on, let that dry for about 90 seconds, and then you put the high shine gloss on, and then you let that sit for a few. It doesn't tell you to let that sit, but I assume that's what you should be doing, because if you don't, it's gonna be real wet and sticky. Like right now, they look nice, wet, sort of. I didn't put a lot on because I don't like a lot of shine. That's not me. Your girl is not a shine girl. I'm a matte girl all the way. But because this was so neat and so new and innovative, I wanted to try it. So, but I like it. I really do like it. But is it transfer proof? I don't think so. Not for me. In the video on NYX and all that, they do it and it's like nothing. But I don't know. It's look. See that? Can you see? It's a little bit of transfer, you know, I mean, it's nothing major, but for something that claims to be transfer proof, I would think it should be transfer proof. But you know, it is what it is. It's not a deal breaker for me. I like this. I like the formula. It feels good. The lip gloss is nice. It's not too bright, meaning that you can build it up. You can put a lot or a little on, you know, so it's good. I like it. Has a perfect amount of shine for me. I didn't use a lip liner today because I just wanted to try this. I could have still used a lip liner, but honestly, I forgot to put one on. So yeah, but anyway, looks good. To me, it looks really good. I like it. You know, it's not super bad transfer. Now, if I had a mask on, you know, it might be okay, because I don't know, it may not be on your mask, but me doing this, you know, it's transfer. But they did it and it wasn't anything, so that's why I did it. But if I had a mask on, maybe it may not be on the mask. I don't know, but I haven't had a mask on with it. But you know, I will continue to wear it, so I'll let you know if it shows up on the mask or not. But on my hand, it was slight, but it still was some transfer, you know. But anywho, that was that, and that's good. Now, oh yeah, and also I wanted to tell you, for a little added dimension, you know, even though these colors are beautiful and pigmented and everything, I just had to have more, so I used the NYX Glitter Golds in pink just to put around the half cut crease, even though I didn't do a cut crease, but half glitter liner here. Yeah, just to be more, because I needed more. I always need more. Not always, but you know. Anywho, guys, so yeah, that is, oh, you know what I wanted to show you guys? Let me, real quick. I never did really, I talked to her, but I never really did show. Now, hold on one second, guys. My throat. 1 second. Oh, look at that. There's nothing on the bottle. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. There's nothing. Hey, there's nothing on the bottle. Maybe I need to let it, maybe I just need to let it dry just maybe a smidgen more, because I did do it right before I did the video. Maybe I was too quick to say it wasn't transfer proof. I don't know. But yeah, what I was going to show you guys was these. So freaking cute. Look at these coasters. So come on. They are like records. And you know, records were really a thing of my day, with me being as old as I am. Records. I know everybody's heard of records, but records is what I had, honestly, you know. So anywho, but yeah, I thought they were the cutest little coasters, and these were on Darissa Rain's channel. She had I don't know if she won these or if she purchased these. I'm not sure. I forget. I watched the video. But yeah, she had these, and then I had commented that they were so cute. They are the cutest little things, and I love coasters. And next thing I know, she told me she would send them to me. She sent, and that's what she did, as well as she sent me this, as well as a little sample of a Clarins moisturizer, which I already used. I meant to say that in another video. And then also, hold on guys, let me get my jewelry box. And then also she sent me these earrings, which I was gonna wear today, but I realized I didn't have this color shirt on. I mean, I guess I could have worn them if I wanted to, but yeah, these cute little earrings. Aren't they the cutest little thing? Hello, come on, show the earrings, people. I mean, camera. But anyway, can you see the detail? Aren't they the cutest? So cute. I hope you are seeing them. But anyway, they are so cute. So cute. And then also, while I'm in my little earring thing, these earrings right here were sent to me as a free gift by Deanna Monet. She owns Monet Dior Couture, which I definitely can't wait to wear these. Oh my God, how freaking cute are these earrings right here? How cute are they? They are so cute, because I had placed the order with her like I do, and then she sent me a free gift. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys that. Off topic, I know that, sorry about that, but you guys know me by now, I'm always off topic. Okay, so I want to say thank you to Deanna Riri, which she has a new channel name right now, which I will link below. So yeah, and also Deanna Monet, I'll link her below as well, because this is also a necklace that I purchased from her a while ago. I've worn this before, but I don't know if you can see it, but it's a butterfly with some little details. I can't bring it close up right now, but yeah, I talked about it in another video also. I may link that, I may not, you know, whatever. So anyway, thank you guys. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope this video was good enough to make you want to subscribe to me today. And if you've already been subscribed, hey. All right, now that is all that I have today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And if you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Have a good one.